Lazy Keto grocery haul and easy keto meals coming up. Special thank you to Martin's for sponsoring today's video. Check out the description link below to get your coupon for your first pickup at Martin's. I loved how simple this was. And look, they even have electric charging station there. How progressive. I love getting my groceries really simple at Martin's to Grid because I'm going to make 2 easy keto dinners and 2 easy keto lunches with this. I've done this recipe before. You can see in some of my other videos of how you can make an easy crock pot recipe, a slow cooker recipe using really fresh meat from Martin's. They've got really fresh, great meat, local produce, and literally can make this. I can make it out of tacos. You can put it on low carb bread. I have a low carb tortilla wrap I'm using. You could even use a romaine lettuce if you're squeaky clean keto. I'm doing a lazy keto, dirty keto one. I simply got some of the Martin's deli meat, and that's what we had for our easy keto lunches all week. So awesome. Got some of their roast beef, some of their pepperoni, got some of their delicious cheeses, and you could put some fresh vegetables if you have those too. They have a lot of locally grown produce as well. Really easy. And then you can also use the leftovers from the crock pot meal too to make for wraps if you wanted to do that as well. But I love this. Is so diverse, so simple. You can use it a bunch of different ways. And if you've got kids or adults or whatever, it's really easy for keto lunches and low carb lunches. So thanks Martin's for the great pickup. This was really simple, very quick for this busy mom. Make sure you give a like, thumbs up, and I'll see you next time, friends.